everyone, welcome back to Tech Media. Today I will show you how to make an interesting online quiz in Kahoot. So let's start. First open a browser. I am using Chrome. Type create.kahoot.it. Then wait for a moment. Here you have to sign up. As I have already created an account, I will log in with Google. After logging in, click on Create option. Then you have to make a question paper. Let's make a question. Suppose I am writing what is the valency of carbon. Then you have to type the answer like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have to select the right answer. You can add an image for this question by clicking on plus. Then let's add a new question, true or false. Suppose I am writing valency of oxygen is 2. Then again you have to click the right answer. You can add more questions here, but I am only adding 2. Here you have to select the timing for this question. And I am selecting standard point for this question. And same here also. After making the question paper, click on Done. If you missed something, it will show here. Like, I have missed to write the title and the description of this question paper. You can type the title and the description as your wish. After writing these, click on Continue. Then click on Done. You have finished making the question paper. Now you have to challenge it to your friends. Click on Play and then click Challenge. Then fill up these details as your wish. Suppose the date I am choosing is 31 July. Time is 10 am. Question timer on. Randomize answer order off. Nickname generator off. Then click Create. And the player limit is 100. Then click Create. Then wait for a moment. Then copy the URL and send it to your friends. Here I am sending it in WhatsApp. Making a Kahoot challenge is so easy and it's interesting too. So here I will send the link to my friend. Now if any player join, here will be their name in the players section and the questions will be here and the correct incorrect option So, making a Kahoot challenge is so easy and you can make it now. Thank you.